majority of the peer pressure, then the majority of the peer pressure is a negative impact, because in our peer group, sometimes our friends who is addicted of the uh, smokings or drinking, then it also affects our peer group.
But I think sometime very beneficial because let's say for example I am not aware about this totally, and my friend has suggested me to do and go to that. So I think it will be boon for me in the future to at my goal. So it's a better way.
Yeah, Ankit, and adding to a point, sometimes we face some mental trauma, like in personal life, like in love life or in other things that we can't share with our family. But friends are the only thing which they will understand because they are on our same level. So it will help to make our harmony and lose our stress.
uh, when
Yes,
we
I'm pretty sure it
sometimes
depends
we
on the
are
person what he thinks. As always you should know. Then if you want to some love life and arrange life, so it can be shared by your peer groups. So then it is a helpful part to you. So may teach you something new and and new way of your new way of your life.
if we
I
talk
was
about
not saying that
sometimes
peer pressure is always bad.
when a
I was
student
saying
is
that
living
it
in
is
a
mostly
pressures,
bad, and
then
peer pressure is inherently usually bad. What you said about that it gives positive vibes, it is actually more into motivation than peer pressure.
Let us take the another point that it's not only happen in the our friends circle, but it also the things that we just feeling a pressure to the other country that how much he going to be developed, and we just try to develop our country as compared to that.
at last, according to me, peer pressure is not always negative and not always good. It is totally depend on our mentality, what things we grab from our friends. If we grab good things, then its result become good. If we grasp the bad things, the result is worse. Thank you.
I at last I want to say that both are positive and positive effect and negative effect in peer pressure. It depends on the person, what he thinks and what is mentality and what is grab from our peer groups. So thank you, Jai Hind, everyone. I don't have any word.
I think we have to move towards the feedbacks.
Yeah, any feedbacks for me as it
I
was
have a
my
point.
first day? Yeah, yeah.
Okay, defense conclude the topic.
I have also a point. May I say? Hello.
Yeah, yeah.
May,
Why they
the
will
thing.
conclude the topic?
No, no, I have a point. The thing that
Okay.
we are the thing that we are seeing the urbanization is only due to the peer pressure, because if you see like we are going to the another country or city for the giving more money by the influence of their friends, so it will be very bad for the villagers, because as you see, Gandhiji has said that urbanization in India is very slow, but it is the sure shot of the village kill of the villagers and village. So the thing is that if we influence your friends and going towards the city, it also affect the agriculture.
And if we talk about the this right now position, we are trying to improve our English communication because of our peer pressure. That we are trying to, whether we are our vernacular is Hindi, but we are trying to speak in English in good manner because to impact uh, a better pressure on our peer.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
it is
yeah.
also
So,
counted
so
peer pressure.
Bernard, so very right point.
Yes, Guru.
Uh, Sir Pranav sir or
Change the
any
topic. I
feedback
want to
for
say
me, what
something.
can
If
I
any
make
problems
improvement in
come,
me as
we
it was
can
my
share
first
it. If any problems comes, we can share it and solve it together. And peer pressure also teaches us how to behave and how to be society, and we can also the know of about importance of our peer group. Then you can very useful. It is very useful for our modern life.
I think we all are giving the point, and we have to move about the conclusion, or maybe summary and the things.
Okay, defense conclude the topic.
I'm already concluded the topic, bro.
Okay, anyone want?
Right? Hello.
Chalo, Ankit Rajput conclude the topic.
Yeah. Peer pressure is the thing that it's totally depend upon the you that how we take it, and the thing is that if you're not comparing with your peers and comparing with yourself, then it is the best tool in your life. Thank you.